Everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Today's vlog is sponsored by Target, which I'm so excited about. So without further ado, let's just jump into the video. Okay, so some of the things that I picked up at Target, I went and got my favorite cleaning spray. I love this brand so much. I remember when I first saw this brand in Target, it just really caught my eye. I love the branding, love the brand name. It's just so cute. Highly recommend this all-purpose cleaner if you haven't used it yet. This brand is great because they use clean ingredients. Like if you look at the ingredient list, it's actually all things that you can pronounce. So that's always a good sign. I also picked up some dish soap. I love this dish soap. I tell everyone about it. You know you're adulting when you tell all your friends about what's the best dish soap. Because I'm using these products to clean the surfaces that I cook on and also things that I eat and drink from, it's important that I'm using brands that have clean ingredients. So I really love this brand. I also picked up a hand soap from them because this packaging just really caught my eye. Like, look at how cute this packaging is. I love the oranges on it. Have we been noticing how Target has been bringing in so many new sustainable brands and products? I've been getting so excited. Well, I've always been excited about going to Target, but recently I love that they've been finding sustainable brands and products so easy at very affordable prices. And these are things that I use every single day, you know, like hand soap, cleaning products, dish soaps. I'll also leave a link below if you want to check out some more sustainable products and also swaps that reduce plastic and have clean ingredients. That also gets the Target clean stamp of approval. So if you want to check that out, I'll put a link below. And let me just show you this dish soap. It uses all clean ingredients and look how nicely it lathers. It just cleans my dishes so well. I tell everyone about this dish soap. Whenever I find new good cleaning products, I get so excited. Why isn't my computer working? Oh, there we go. Salad. This veggie chicken is legit. I seasoned it with salt, pepper, and like a garlic herb seasoning. I feel like it really tastes like chicken. And then for my salad, I'm just having spring mix with this poppy seed dressing. You see me too? Okay. Oh, the camera 好歪喎。
Come on, keep it going. Keep it going. 1, 2, 3, go.
You have to go faster.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
We are pretty far away from home right now. Wall found a place to shoot one of his campaigns. I thought I would shoot some content for myself as well. Just getting ready. We woke up so early. We woke up at like 5 a.m. today. A trick I like to do with lipstick, I just put a little bit of concealer. I kind of just make it ombre. That's it.
너는 어디에 있을까? 어디서 무얼 할까? 난 궁금해 왜 이렇게 설레일까? 내 마음 말해볼까?
Starting to get really hot. Probably got a nice tan though.
있을까? 다른 누굴 만날까? 찾아갈까? 난 더 이상은 못 참겠다.
All right. I have been a little embarrassed about my nails. It's been a long time. In this video, I kept trying to avoid showing my hands because it looks so bad. I tried out this like nail sticker thing and it peeled off within a few days. So it is not looking too cute right now. So I'm gonna repaint them. I got this new polish from Target the other day and it's so cute. It's called Olive and June and the shade is BP. And this color is like a very nice, cute baby blue. I rarely paint my nails blue. That's why I wanted to try something new, you know? So this brand, Olive and June, is vegan and cruelty-free. It's also free of the 7 usual chemicals that you find in nail polishes. So that's nice. I like that it uses clean ingredients and the packaging is really cute. So we'll see. I'm gonna try this out, see how I like it. But first, we need to take off what's on my nails already. Yeah, it has really good reviews on Target's website, so I'm excited. Anyone else love this part? I love when I push my cuticles back and it looks kind of gross, I know, but it's just so much cleaner. Oh yeah, they are clean and prepped. Now ready for the polish. I love this clean feeling. I just feel like a new woman. Okay, so that's one coat. I think it's pretty good, especially with it being a lighter color. I think that's pretty good. It applied really nice. I like the applicator. It has a rounded tip. Can you see that? Okay, while I wait for the first coat to dry a little more, I thought I would give you a little life update. I feel like lately I keep having life updates. It may come as a surprise to some of you, but we are moving. This is definitely a surprise because you all know I love this house. I mean, we love this house. This house has just brought so many good memories. We have amazing neighbors and, you know, I pretty much redid the house from top to bottom and I love everything about it. I love the details. We've never had such amazing neighbors ever. Like growing up in the neighborhoods that we grew up in, you just don't really talk to your neighbors. So this was truly such an amazing first house. With that being said, even though this has been amazing, I think, you know, for us, we've just kind of outgrown the space. The space is pretty small. I've always in the back of my mind thought like, you know, this isn't the forever home. This is a home that, you know, I was so happy to move into because we came from living in downtown LA, and in downtown, you know, you just don't have a lot of green space, and with having dogs, it was just not the ideal situation. You know, if you remember, we had to put like boots on our dogs every time we went out. This house has truly been amazing, but in the last year or two, actually, I was always thinking in the back of my mind, like it'd be nice to expand to something just a little bigger. Also, it would just be nice for when our family visits, because our family, they all live in the Bay Area, and every time that they do visit, it is very crammed. So we just want to be able to have like a bigger space too, so that when we host our friends or our family, there is that space so that we can all kind of, you know, be a little more comfortable. So anyways, very excited. So I hope you all are excited to see the moving vlogs, the moving content. I had no idea that so many people were gonna move until recently when I was looking to move. I was like, wait, everybody I follow is moving. So yeah, I'm just really excited for the change. You guys will be seeing a lot more moving vlogs, redecorating, and just overall home stuff, which I'm very excited about. Anyone else feel the same way? I love watching the moving vlogs, the decorating vlogs, or like the home DIY. And we're probably gonna move sometime in the next following few weeks. We're still kind of figuring everything out, and yeah. That's something I'm really looking forward to. So the other day when I was at Target, I also picked up this dog toy. I don't know who to give it to first. I thought this was cool because it's from the brand Westpaw, and it's made with recycled materials. It's a BPA-free, latex-free, and FDA-compliant toy. It also floats in water, and anytime I give her toys, she tends to break them really fast. So I thought this would be nice. It just feels really durable, so hopefully I won't have to buy as many toys for them. This toy should hopefully last them a really long time, and I like that it's made from recycled materials.
What's this? Do you want to take it? What's this?
What's this? What is this? Okay, take it.
Did you have fun? Was it a good walk?
Come inside. Some broccoli with oyster sauce stir fry, some, what is this called? Bitter melon with egg. I have a recipe on this. You may have already seen it on my channel. And then Wall made some hongzhou cha, which is jujubes, longan, and goji berry. So something I swapped out in my kitchen is the single-use plastic cling wrap. Instead, I've been using these beeswax wraps. So this one is made from cotton, beeswax, and jojoba oil and tree resin. After you're done with them, they are fully biodegradable. And you just use it like you would normally with the plastic wrap, but it's a much more sustainable option because it's made of natural materials and you can reuse it instead of the single-use plastic. And it's also so much cuter. This just looks so much cuter than, you know, the plastic wrap. You can find these at Target. That's where I picked these up. I thought this print was really cute. It has bears on it, bears and bees. Super cute. But I recently started using dryer balls, and I love it. It really helps dry the laundry faster, so it's more energy efficient because it prevents your clothes from getting stuck together when they're, you know, getting dried in the cycle. And these are a great swap for dryer sheets because you can reuse these, so it's less waste, and these are also biodegradable. So I went and picked up a few more the other day at Target. This also reduces static, and it's a natural fabric softener. Pretty cool. I really like these, so I just toss them in there and dry my clothes like I normally would. Okay, I'm about to get ready and or not get ready, get unready. And I remembered I didn't talk about this yet. And I actually been using their toothpaste for years. The other one I used was in the blue packaging, so it was just peppermint flavor, I think. But this one, I thought the scent was interesting too. It's called Herbal Citrus Peppermint, and this is the best flavor. When I tasted this one, I was like, whoa. I like this. This toothpaste is made of naturally sourced and naturally derived ingredients. It's also in a recyclable metal tube. I also finally got some new razors. This is from Planet Kind, and this razor I thought was really cool. It's made of recycled plastic bottles, and you can also recycle this through TerraCycle when you're done with it. Last night when I shaved with it for the first time, I was blown away. The blade is so sharp, but it didn't give me any cuts at all. Sometimes when I'm shaving, I tend to cut myself. Definitely check this out if you're looking for a new razor. That's about it to this vlog. I'm gonna wash my face. Thank you, Target, for sponsoring this vlog. It still makes me so happy, and it just makes me smile thinking about working with Target because you all know how much I love Target. I will leave a link below if you're interested to check out some of Target's sustainable products and brands, and I will see you in my next video.